Hello and welcome to OBS Setup and Stream, your easy guide to OBS Studio for crafters. I'm Anthony Minnis from Mix Media. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the Studio mode within OBS Studio. It's a mode that's very similar to live TV production, where you see the preview before it actually goes live. So it's a really handy feature to see what's going to go live before it actually goes live. If you like the contents of this video, please click on the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you're new and click on the notifications button. This will allow you to be notified of all brand new content that I upload to my YouTube channel. Right, without further ado, let's jump into OBS Studio. So what we're actually used to when we jump into OBS Studio is the big preview window there, and then when you click on one of the scenes, and that's just one click of your button, it will then change to that particular scene, which is absolutely great, but you need to be fairly confident. If you're not, click on this one, which is the Studio mode, and hey presto, it brings up two screens so you can see the preview and the program. So how it actually works is when you click on one of these, it then goes from preview to the program screen. But as a fail-safe, it's best to set up this command. So go into settings, click on general, and make sure that in Studio mode it says transition to scene when double clicked. So just make sure that is set. Click on OK there, and now you've got to double click OK on the particular scene before it goes to the program window. So what you can do is you can just one click on one of the scenes, and then you will see it actually come up in the preview window. So there it is, just there in the preview window, and still in the program window we've got the clock. So to change that, double click, and then your preview window will then go to your program window, and it's the program window that your viewers are actually seeing. So as you can see, the Studio mode is a really handy feature that will enable you to preview all of your scenes before they actually go live. And you've got that double click of the mouse just to guarantee that everything should go smoothly for you. If you've liked the content of this video, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and click on the notifications button. This will inform you of all brand new content that I upload to my YouTube channel. That's it for this one, and as always, thanks for watching.